Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this video, I will guide you on how to sign in eBay account. So if you also want to sign in eBay account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open eBay on your device. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here eBay has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now over here you'll be able to find the option for register and sign in. From here too you'll be able to sign into your account by simply tapping on the option sign in, or you can also simply tap on the option my eBay that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now after that you can see over here you'll be led to the my eBay interface. Over here at top you'll be able to find the option for sign in. All you have to do is tap on it. Now after that you'll be led to the sign-in interface of eBay. Due to privacy and security reason, this interface will not be recorded, but I'll tell you what to do. Over here you'll be able to find the options for use email or username, sign in with Google, sign in with Facebook. So simply tap on the option of your choice. If you tap on the option email and username, what you have to do is enter your email or username and password. So simply enter your email or username. After that, you'll have to enter your password. After that, in this interface, you'll be able to find the option for sign in. All you have to do is tap on it. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll easily be signed in to your account. So that is how you sign in eBay account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.